All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Monday. Welcome to the week of April 13th through the 17th. Today I'm going to go through lesson 1 with you guys. So we are moving into our new unit on genetics. A lot of our units right now are going to be a lot shorter, just because a lot of it's on you guys. So we're going to be kind of moving through basic vocabulary of inheritance and genetics, kind of the basics of what you need to know, and then getting into a project for you guys to do. So for lesson 1, your learning target is I will be able to explain the basic vocabulary of inheritance. So that's kind of your goal. I will give you the answer to the engage question in a little bit. The goal of this is to get you to actually watch these videos, make them useful for you. And then for your objectives, you are going to, I have given you 2 videos to watch, one on basic genetics and one on kind of beyond the basics, some of the stuff that you need to know. For the basic genetics video, you need to watch through minute 10:26, and the beyond the basics one, you'll watch the whole thing. It's only about 6 minutes long. And then you're going to take notes. You may handwrite your notes or type your notes. Either way, though, you need to be able to take a picture of them or share your doc right here for your evidence of completion of that. And then you do have one more activity, this genetics vocabulary reinforcement. It's super short. When you open it up, it should make a copy for you. And then once you get into it, it's just kind of reinforcing the vocabulary that you should have learned in the videos and through your note taking. So you will be given a word bank, which will pop up here momentarily. And then you have somewhere around 12 sentences or so that help you just kind of review the vocab, review the notes that you took, and you'll just insert your answers here. And then once you're all done, you're going to click on the share button. You're going to go to advance and then change the access so that anyone with the link can comment. That's what we want, so that I can actually comment on your work and give you any feedback that I think you would need. And then you'll copy the link, this link to share right here. That's what you'll copy. You'll put done, and you will paste that here. So in your evidence of completion for this lesson, I should see either a picture of your notes or a link to your doc, and then a link to your genetics vocabulary reinforcement. For your exit ticket, you're going to learn a little bit about genetic counselors and tell me 3 different types of questions that you could ask a genetic counselor based on what you read. Now, going back to your engage question, if you have made it all the way through the video, please type the word pineapple into the response area. That way I know that you are following all of the directions. Please let me know if you have any questions for lesson 1, and I will be back later with lesson number 2.